Alright guys, so you're welcome again to another episode of Trend with Giddy, the Giddy way. So guys, don't forget to have a new YouTube channel. You have to go subscribe to where we can discuss, and please keep sharing, keep sharing. Let's take that page to 1,000. Let's take it to 1,000. Alright, now this tie on the screen. Taking a look at this tie on the screen, you will see there's a V and there's a fan and there's a round. Although they did a little bit of rose. These are not gele. Yes, these are not gele. But even if it's an auto gele, we can still tie it. But because it's an auto gele, you see it's very confusing. So what we're going to do, we're going to break out our length 90. Now, we're going to be using length 90 3 layers. Length 90 3 layers, you get. So I'll be using a length 90 3 layers. So, guys, one thing about gele, one thing about gele is this. Whenever you are tying any gele, the texture matter. You understand? This is more of cotton, and cotton fabric relaxes more when you're doing it. So what do? I want to use the 70-30. I want to use the 70-30. I want the V side to be longer. So I want the V side to be longer. So anytime I want the V side to be longer, take my hands this way. So I measure like that. All right, so now we'll fold in. This becomes 25, 25. Now, what will I add to give me, what will I add? Sorry. So what will I add to give me 30? I'll take from here now. Yeah, here is 25 already. So from here, this side is always giving me difficulty. From here now to here is 30. So I'll hold here. I can take my pleat from the 70, not the 30, from the 70. Now we're going to arrange. We're going to arrange. We're going to arrange. Okay, I'll pick my pleats. Okay. Wait. Please, you can use 60-70 for this style too. 60-70 will work perfectly well. 60-40 will work perfectly well. You understand? 60-40 will come out very, very well. So now I told you guys I want the longer one this time to be the one covering the V. So all I just need to, the short one we have to go down. So most times you just know how to reverse it. If you want to make use of the one you're using to close the V, then you know, okay, now I can interchange it. But when you're interchanging it, please make sure you interchange it correctly. Make sure you interchange it correctly. Okay? Make sure you interchange it correctly. No, please hold this on. Okay, so I have to bring that one back. It cannot go anywhere. We need it. We need that plate like that, so we drag. It's okay, right? All right, now, so guys, we're going to be making, please, don't ever make this mistake. You know, print for the top to scatter it, print from the one that flows. So we're going to be making, so you see, make our plates. So guys, if we make plate like this, we'll be calculating here because this one now we're going to use it to create our V. Okay, now I think I've gotten enough. I'll start working towards get out. We are going to use this one to make fan. So I think I've arranged enough. So what I'll start doing is I'll start arranging to make fan, which is small, then big. Then we'll go small, then big. You get? Now, not everybody are good with fan. Please, we fan from this other hand, but you try. You arrange. You see, we start making our pleats now. That's why I said you check it first. It was showing, it was a V, then a fan. So this is how you make your V and you still make fan. So now you are getting the point now. The V, from the V will make the fan. But now it's up to, it's a two-way thing. I could have just said, okay, after I've made few pleats, let me pin, let me drag and pin here. After I've made few pleats, please, whenever you are pinning, you always use a knife. Let me drag and pin here. See, here, so that it won't be that bulky on my hand. So all I need to do is arrange this way, arrange small, then big, arrange small, now arrange small, big. So we're gonna be making our pleats now. We're gonna be making our pleats. We're gonna be making our pleats. We'll try our best. So it's gonna be small, big. See, we're creating our fan now. You see that one that was auto gele, the one that was auto gele. If you notice something, you will know the fan was on its own. Yeah, because when you are doing auto gele, you have to make the V base first. Then you now place it on top. You now do fan from this side, round from this side. But when you are tying it, this is a possible way of tying it because you cannot create base on its own, except you are using another fabric to create the base. So we keep arranging our V. Make sure your V's are coming out well. Just make sure. Take it. So doing our best. All right. This fabric, let me not lie. Most times it's texture another. If it's not new, it's texture another nice for this thing. It's always very cool for pleat. You see that crown test, that one that is always strong. And that one is good. So you just keep breaking your fan, breaking your fan. And I think we are okay with this. Please let me put your hand there. Okay with this. So we'll try our best to arrange properly. Try our best to arrange properly. Now see what we're gonna do. We're gonna arrange this one. We're gonna arrange everything here down so that it will make sense. I'm gonna arrange everything there down. You understand? So that it will make sense. Now when we get here now, when you get here, you're holding here. You can pin here first so that it doesn't move. Now the reason you are pinning here, you can see it at the top, so it's moving. So you're pinning to hook it. You're pinning to hook it so that it doesn't move. Then you just twist here. You twist it like this. Twist it like this. And you also pin. And you also pin here. So the more you work, the more you get this pinning thing right. Now we are here now. Now we are here. Now we are here. So what do we do? I'm coming. Make sure everything is on top each other first of all. Arrange it. Make sure everything is on top each other. Yeah, make sure everything is on top each other. Then when you are clear that everything is on top each other, you take this one from the back, then you do a twist. Now twist. Okay. All right. So we'll just pin here. Now we'll pin here. Go in. It goes in. then you bring it back. Now, they going in and bringing it back is something of difficulty, but when you keep practicing it, when you keep watching, practicing, keep watching, you're practicing, you keep watching, you're practicing, it will definitely come out well. But I've known that this sego, this ashoke won't stand at all. I would have used a sego. I would have used a sego. So just try my best to just place it on top each other. Yeah, just to try my best. Most times you can still pin if it will work. Normally, whenever you do a fan. Now see, we have a V, we have a fan. You get, we have a V, we have a fan. So what next are we looking for now? We're looking for a round. So she'll place her hand here for us. Now here, we'll take 2 or 3 plates across. Get 2 or 3 plates across it. See, across it. Then you pin here, pin here, pin here. It's just like the way you did, you do 2 side fan, you pin at the back. That's how you pin there. Then after pinning there, make sure this one is still in accordance. After you pin there, most time you pin here also. Yes, you look at this place, so this place. So you pin it also, you pin it also. Go down, you pick from the fabric down, you push it. Okay, so when I'm done, I'll just try and arrange the fan. But hope you get the concept about the fan. So what we do now, we start picking our pleats small. We start picking our pleats. Just watch. Start picking our pleat. Now to tell you, this fabric is always good with pleats. You will see it will come out very smooth and nice. Very smooth and nice. Get. You get now. So you see, we just successfully pick our plate. Picking plate is taking equal plate in the middle. You just take equal plate. See, you take equal plate. And look at it, take equal plate. You arrange up down. Take equal plate. You arrange up down. You get equal plate. You arrange up down. Keep arranging. Keep arranging. Keep arranging. Keep arranging. You keep arranging. Now you see, I started making our plate. Now we just keep picking from the top. Keep picking, you keep picking, you keep picking, you keep picking, you keep picking, we keep picking, we keep picking. Get so we just keep arranging. You see? So just keep picking, picking, and then we'll keep picking. So now you can see we have our V, we have our fan, now we have our plate here. So you see? So that's just how it is. You get this way. So we'll keep arranging gradually. We just keep arranging, 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 arranging. Can see adjusting it. You can adjust it. Now it's time for us to twist. Time for us to twist. Now you twist backward or you twist forward. So now you have to twist forward so that it will rest on the fan. You get so twist forward. So when you twist forward, you pin. So twist forward. So guys, this is it. Make sure it is inside. So now this is it. You just pin the ear. So pin it. Instead of pin it, you can decide to leave it. Even if the fan is falling, you can still see it come out very, very well. We have a fan. Now we have a fan. We have our V base. Now we have our round. So when it comes to the back, all you just need to, the person is holding his hair. If the hair is coming out, it comes out. If it's not coming out, you wrap like this. Also twist all these ones. Just pin it carefully. And just pin it in the way everything will be fine. Yes, and just use it to place something at the back. Just make sure from the beginning it's always tight. And from the beginning it's always tight, and do not forget where the person is going to hold. So this is it. This is it. We have a V, we have a round, this gets, so this is it. This is it. Is it. This is it. This is it. Now let's do something very tricky. Let's do something very, let's spice it up. Now let's see if you want to bring out something from here now. Now you see this one I pinned. I'll just look for where I pinned it and I pinned it. Now I'm going to pin it around here. Watch.